For over 100 years, pickup trucks have been a staple of America's blue-collar workforce. But in recent years, they've actually evolved into play vehicles and lifestyle vehicles. So they're the perfect combination whether you're out playing or you need some utility. Today, trucks have more features and comfort than many cars, echoing the notion that these vehicles aren't just for those who wear a tool belt.